Here's a tutorial for making a mini sunflower flower pot. Let's make it together. Fold 8 channel stems in half, keeping the bottom ends even. Use scissors to cut all the stems in half. You should end up with something like this. Take 1/2 length channel stem and fold it in half. Measure 3 cm from the fold. Twist it twice to secure it. Make a total of 16 petals. Take a dark brown channel stem. Bend one end into a small hook, then start rolling it up. Roll it like a mosquito coil. Use the entire channel stem. When you reach the end, leave a short tail and fold it upward. Apply some glue. Press it onto the spiral. This will keep the spiral from coming undone. Take a green channel stem and fold one end up by 2 cm. Then fold another 3 cm section. Fold it upward once again. Create 3 matching pointed sections. Hold below each point and twist twice to secure it. Make 2 of these in total. Apply glue to the back of the flower center. First, attach 4 petals. Press them down to secure. Then add 4 more petals in the gaps. For the second layer, place the petals between the petals of the first layer. Now all the petals are attached. Next, shape the petals. Bend them slightly upward. It should look like this. Next, secure the two supple pieces together. Then apply glue on top. Place the flower on top. Center it carefully and press to secure. Then bend the small sepals upward. And that's one sunflower finished. Next, let's make the flower bud. Take a channel stem and fold a 1 cm section. Then fold down a 3 cm section. Fold it back upward again. Repeat the process to create 5 pointed sections. When finished, it should look like this. Twist the bottom sections together to secure them. Secure all 5 points the same way. Take a green channel stem and fold one end up by 2 cm. Then fold a 3 cm section in half. Make 2 of these and join them together. Then apply glue in the center. Place the flower bud inside and press to secure it. Now the flower bud is finished. Fold 2 green channel stems in half to make leaves. Next, start assembling the flower. Position the bud above the flower. Then place the leaves on both sides. Adjust the height of the flower and leaves however you like. Then take another channel stem. Wrap it around to secure everything. Keep wrapping downward. Wrap about 5 cm down the stem. Trim off any excess channel stem and adjust the flower. Now the flower is complete. Simply place it into the flower pot, and your mini sunflower flower pot is finished. I showed how to make the flower pot in a previous video, so check that out if you haven't seen it yet. Thanks for watching.